First, let's create a workflow to auto-tag messages. For example, let's imagine a beauty brand is receiving many questions about the price of a specific product. We can tag all messages that include the name or the product, in this case cherry lipstick, and also include any of these keywords: cost, price, pricing, and the phrase how much. This automation will impact any new comments, messages, or mentions posted after enabling it. Okay, now we're on to step 2. We're going to create saved replies with the same tag. We already have a few saved replies here. We always recommend adding at least 10 variations for the same response to avoid sounding repetitive or spammy. So let's create a new saved reply and add our cherry lipstick pricing tag to it. And the final step is just starting to reply. When responding to comments, mentions, or private messages with a matching tag, you'll see a quick suggested reply, randomly chosen from the saved replies. So you can click on the suggestion, send the reply, and on to the next comment. When you have multiple workflows in place for different questions, you'll be able to empty your inbox quickly while maintaining your brand voice.